Welcome friends, and let's see how we can set the Maven path in your Windows systems. Pretty simple. What you need to do, you need to go to the Maven. Okay, search for the Maven. Here you will get the website. Go to the download, and from here you need to download this binary. Okay, so what I will do, I will just click on it, and let me try to download it here somewhere in my software folder. 3.816 bin. So what I will do, I will just save it out here. Okay, so and what I can do, I can show in folder. Okay, let it be download. And what you need to do, one more thing, you need to check whether the Java is installed or not. Okay, so this is pretty simple. You can type Java version here like this, so it will show you that the Java is installed. But before this, what you need to do, you need to set the Java home path in your environment variable. To do this, what you can do, you can just go out in the program files, that is the C and the program files, and from here you can go to Java, and this is something that you need to set it out. So what I will do, I will just copy this one, okay, and then open the environment variable. So here you can see edit environment variable systems, go to environment variables, and here what we can do, we can create a new Java underscore home, and here we will paste this variable value, and then okay. Second thing, you need to move to the path, edit it, create a new path, save it, and \bin. So this will be the bin path for the Java. So you need Java home bin. And third thing, what you need to do here, so we have downloaded that particular inside the software, this is the bin one. I will just extract it first, extract here. Okay, now this is the one. I will copy it, and or you can cut it also. I will go to the program files and I will paste it here. Okay, continue. And now what you need to do here, you need to go to bin and you need to add this bin path in your environment variable. I will come back here in the environment variable and we'll move to the path, edit it, new one, paste it. This is the bin path. Second thing, you need to create a new system variable for Maven underscore home, paste it and remove this bin from here. Okay, okay. Okay, and then let me exit it from here and let me open the command prompt once again, and let me check here MVN. So you can see this command is now working. So this means that the Maven is installed, and then you can write the Maven command from the command prompt. Thanks for watching it.